Hey guys, I've got the Lumi Pro Dragon in front of me here, and I'm going to go through a bit of unboxing and what you're going to receive when you order one. So right out of the box, you can see that I've got my 6 spokes and the middle pieces, and then all the tools that you'll need as well. So there is a little bit of assembly when you receive it, but it's very easy, very simple. So you just want to take one of the middle pieces and one of the hubs. You'll see there's 2 holes in here, lines up with the 2 holes on here. So you want to line that up, and then I've got my screws and the Allen key. This is just an M3 Allen key if you ever lose it, so it's accessible at any hardware store. So they're secured into place both through the hole in the top and the bottom. So you make sure you want to do both of them. Putting it in, you want to line it up, and then you should be able to push it in a good amount of the way, and then just tighten the rest up with the Allen key. So once it's fully tightened, it's going to sit flush with the tubing, so there's no bit sticking out. I'm going to do that for the same for the front and the bottom and all the spokes. So here in front of me, I've got the head already set up. You can see that it has the 3 spokes and the screws in the front and the back. So the head is secured onto the staff with this screw right here. The good thing about this hub is that it is compatible with all of our Fusion Dragon staffs, including the aluminium and carbon fiber, as well as any other 22mm diameter staff. So it's pretty versatile and will fit on a wide range of Dragon staffs on the market these days. Once it is on, you want to slip it on, and then this screw is just tightened with that same Allen key as before. You want to make sure that it is tightened before you start playing with it so it doesn't fly off mid-spin. So I can test it before and make sure it's really secure. So the middle part of this hub is made from polyurethane, which is really durable and really flexible. So you can see this thing can take a good couple drops. The tubing here is made from polycarbonate, which is really good at refracting light. So it's going to stay really, really bright at nighttime, as well as the silicone end caps, which have a new design, so they look really sleek in the day, as well as give a really clean look at nighttime too. So to turn on the lights, it's just a single click on the top. And then another single click to cycle through the different modes. So to take the end cap off, it's just a pull and twist motion until it's all the way off. Here we go. Part of the design is these added weights here. This is to make it better weighted and more balanced, especially for beginners. They are removable though, so if you decide that this stuff is too heavy for you, you can simply slide these off. So the light unit you get to here, there's a little notch in the tubing to make it easy to slide it out, which is really good for recharging, or if you want to use these same light units in another prop. So when it comes to recharging, you'll receive 2 3-prong cables, which is really handy, so you can charge all of the light units at the same time. The cable is long enough to reach around, so you don't even have to take the light units out. You just plug them in here. I've got one ready to charge here, and you can see they all fit, and this we can just plug into your computer, a wall outlet, even the car, so it's very good for traveling as well. So to put the end cap back on, you just slide it back over, and then same motion of twisting until it's all the way on again. So that's all you need to know for getting started with your new Lumi LED Dragon. Definitely tag us in any posts on social media. We'd love to see all the fun you guys get up to. Thanks so much for watching, and have fun.